Alright guys, so the microphone showed up today, and we'll open it up. Amazon sent it. They shipped it with their own carrier, and they did the final delivery with the postal service again, which that's okay. It arrived, so that's okay. So get this over here. So there's really good reviews on all of these. There's many different ones. Really, they give you screws and a clip. I'm not going to use that. So my radio is the 2900R, and I'm going to come over here, pull this microphone out of the bag. Okay, it feels a little cheap, but I would say it's probably what they did is that I don't think they put the weight in it. That a lot of the other ones have a weight. If you open it up, there'd probably be a weight. The cord's pretty stiff, so fortunately, what they did with these is they didn't make them the same way that the other ones are. So here we go. Here, the radio's over here. Let's see here. Okay. So, problem with our radio is that the cord is bad. So these are the two microphones side by side. Is it a button? No. Somebody spilled something on this one too. But I ordered another one because I'm like, well, it's getting old. So, there's a little difference in the color and the writing on it. But I mean, like, seriously, like, they copied it pretty close. I don't know what the 8N means. This one actually says Vertex Standard, made in Taiwan. This one actually doesn't say where it was made. It says nothing. It actually doesn't even say it was made in China. Pretty smart on their part. Buttons and everything feel and look the same. If you look at the buttons, I mean, I have no idea how they could copy that closely. There really isn't any difference. So what I think, personally, is that also I like the microphone better. Immediately, everybody said the same thing. The back key really lights up really nicely. So, and you can turn the lamp on or off. So that's cool. Definitely great. I do like that. Let me show you what the other one looks like before we get too far. It is very much dimmer. Realistically, I don't think that this one's actually heavier. But I'll do tomorrow, when I get time. I'll go ahead and I'll make another video on it when I test it out and compare the two on their audio. So go ahead and hang it up over here for now, and we'll catch you guys later.